Are you feeling tired? Are you fatigued from car horns and pollution? This video is proudly brought to you by Shikar Pan Masala, India's #1 pan masala. Let's go. Salute down in one. Let's go have a look at the river and see how people are living here in Siliguri. And this looks like quite a rogue location, so we'll see how welcome we are down here. But yeah, going, got my Shikar power. Uncle. This cow.
Yes.
Obviously in Hinduism, cows are sacred, so this river must be significant. What's your name? Name? Miriam. Piriam. Nice to meet you. Yeah, hello. Hi. Hello. What's going on? What's your name?
Amanzani.
Amanzani. Nice
Yes.
to meet you, brother. I'm Bernard.
How are you?
What's going on?
Water is today.
What's going on? Yo. How are you guys? Yo. What's going on? From Poland.
Yes.
Hello, hello. Suraj, I'm Bernard.
Yes. I'm Ganpatewari.
I'm from Poland.
Sorry.
Yeah. You know Poland?
I'm in Siliguri.
Oh,
Water.
okay. Yeah.
Hey,
What's going on?
to meet
dude?
you. What
Nice
is
to
your
meet you.
name?
Bernard. What about
Bernard.
you? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
You can drink the water.
What do you have here? No, just I'll just take a water.
Only for 10 rupees.
Only for 10. That's all right. Yeah.
10 rupees.
Okay.
This is the 10 rupees.
Yes. Take 10 rupees. Take and 40 rupees return him.
Yeah.
Yes, you take it.
Yeah. Is there something for me to see this way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can go and
No,
see.
you can see.
Yeah.
Not a
only land.
problem.
Yeah.
Not a problem. Not a problem.
Yeah. So, wow, I'm sweating buckets. Hello. It's okay for me to be here? It's okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to be respectful, you know? It's a ceremony, and then the ashes go in the river. Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you for explaining. Thank you for your time. I feel a bit intrusive, so I'm gonna keep on walking. I don't want to intrude on the privacy of the family here.
You are single?
I'm single, yeah. Travel solo.
Stay home, yeah?
Single, no headache, yeah.
Jaga pani Jaga pani
It's the best peeler in Siliguri.
Jaga. This is the man is so crazy.
Introduce yourselves. Introduce yourselves.
You are bhais.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chapri vibes.
No. We are not chopping.
Alright, now we're serving it up. So it's like a salad.
Yes.
Yeah.
After that, we will put a little bit of seasonings.
This is my brother. He is coming here.
Okay.
My bro.
Yo.
Yeah.
What's going on? How are you? Oh, I like your bike. That's a nice bike. Yeah, Yamaha.
You ride.
I ride.
You ride.
No, I don't ride. I ride on the back. All right, let's go. All right, let's go. Woo!
You are right. Whoa.
Jesus. Oh. Let's go.
सीढ़ियाँ उठा ले कहाँ जाएगा You go on
Wow,
the
you're
spot.
you're a good rider.
Udah भाई आप. And you down है वो.
Okay,
Then
okay.
you will still be.
You go up. All right, let's go.
यार आगे से चलाने वाला है.
Yeah, yeah. You have to give him a lift up.
I will lift up.
Okay. Yo. Yes. All right. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Shoot your video, you will eat.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
All right.
You can see, guys.
Try it.
Oh my god, looking so delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god, buddy.
Oh, it's spicy.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Charges.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. Dhaga maga. Oh.
No.
This is a spicy.
Yeah.
Baba still going say. Yes, man.
All right.
Yeah. Enjoying it. Yeah, enjoy. Salad wala nukiyas man.
But these ones,
Yes. This is a so spicy. Pani. No, you have. Yeah, namaste.
wow. Amazing. Guys, if you ever come to Siliguri, come see these boys.
Yes.
Guys,
Yeah. Yo. Yeah. All my boys and brothers,
yeah.
you can eat water. Drink water. No, eat water, drink water. देशबंधु वाला इंग्लिश. आप क्या करेंगे? एक सर इतने सीखा है.
That was a spicy hit.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes. Now for the best dessert.
अब बस मोनोज this.
Shika.
Okay, all done.
All right. Thank you very much, guys. I'm gonna keep on walking. Thank you. I'll pay.
No.
Okay. All right.
You need to tell these guys who taught you Shikar.
Yes. My friend in Nagaland.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Bye. Amazing people of Siliguri. Wow. That was a good breakfast. That was a good spicy breakfast. And no doubt a test for my stomach.